The Kentucky Department of Education is offering guidance on the newly passed laws impacting your child's education. One of the more complex and controversial laws is Senate Bill 150. Some call it a parents' rights bill. Others call it anti-trans. Our Bodie Brooks explains what's inside.
Senate Bill 150 is a lot to consume and break down, but we'll try in 3 parts. Section 1 is considered the parents' rights portion of the law. Schools are now required to give notice to parents about any health or mental health services their child is receiving only on sexuality, contraception, and family planning. Parents also have the ability to opt out. Parents also have to be informed of any referrals for any health or mental health service. The law states this information could not be shared with a parent if there's a previous history that could result in abuse or neglect. On the use of student pronouns, KDE clarifies no guidance on the subject can come from the state, but shared previous court rulings that sex stereotyping from gender nonconforming behavior is legally discrimination. It advises districts to consult with its own attorneys over requested pronouns and potential liabilities. Section 2 expands on the state's rules for sex education. The subject is not required in schools, but if it is taught, it was already Kentucky law for an abstinence-based sex ed course. SB 150 now introduces a choice for districts to limit all sex ed to grades 6 and up, or not teach any student about gender identity, gender expression, or sexual orientation. KDE says the second option would allow instruction at any age on human sexuality and sexually transmitted diseases. The KDE says it's not clear how this option could affect other courses. Also, it's required parents receive notice and the ability to review the district's sex ed course and be provided an alternative if they opt their child out. The final section requires local boards to adopt new bathroom policies banning students from using facilities that are reserved for students of a different biological sex. The districts are required to provide the best available accommodation. KDE refers to the changing landscape of Title IX and touches back on the legal cases that define sexual discrimination, and once again suggests local districts talk to their attorneys. Bodie.
Now, we reached out to several area school districts to get their response on the new guidance. We did hear back from Fayette County schools who say their policy is still in development.